Hey guys, welcome
You all to my channel.
and Sumin and you're watching Computer Experts.
In this video I will show you how to download and install Notepad++. Notepad++ is a text editor and source code editor for use under Microsoft Windows. It supports around 80 programming languages with syntax highlighting and code folding. For downloading and installation of Notepad++, first of all open your favorite browser and type here Notepad++ download in the Google search bar. After this, hit enter. Couple of options will flash on the screen. Click on the first link as you can see on the screen, which is notepad-plus-plus.org, and hit enter. This section will take you to the downloads page. Now just click on the latest version. At the time of recording the video on Notepad++, the latest version is Notepad++ v8.4.7. Click on this. I am installing the Notepad++ on Windows 10. Here you can select as per your operating system. I am downloading for the Windows 64-bit. So click on the installer to install the Notepad++. By clicking on installer, this will download one executable file which you will have to open for the installation of Notepad++ on your Windows 10 operating system. Now minimize the browser and select the language and click on next for installation, and keeping the rest as default if you don't want to change. By default it will be installed on the C drive, but if you want to change it, then click on the browse tab. After this, keeping the rest as default, click on next. After this, at last click on finish. Now, hey guys, in this way you can install Notepad++ on your Windows 10 operating system. Thanks for watching the video, and hey, those are new to the channel, be sure to subscribe the channel for such informative videos.
The social media links are written in the description and the comment below. See you in the next video. Until then, goodbye and good luck.
Maybach.